you get your ego. Go by himself, but only the Lego. If we see Nanya, when they want to not walk with now we're to a dunk, it took about a dunk of the Elon Musk. Oh, we must rescue our youth. We must rescue the next generation. I mean, these are the crusade of what Africa, we must care for them all. One day means also saving them from themselves. Saving the people from themselves. Because sometimes they can't help themselves. And they are trapped. They are trapped and they don't know any better. By the way, can do the principle of the Ogwego, can do the science. Obulo Onyana Paparo, or what is the Ogwego? Then Uncle Alan Madabaro, on earlier 1 million instead of or how? I'm just trying to understand. We must create the new person that will inhabit this. I know that party has become almost like business, but it must also be a platform for social crusade, social reformation. It's an association. We must stand by each other and teach our children to do something different. Hello, Noga. I'm looking forward to the day that even in the churches we can get there and people are taught to be responsible Christianity. You know, you take your destiny in your hand. And we pray, we walk, we pray to God to bless the works of our hands. But you cannot go and cover yourself with duvet in the morning and expect God to come and serve you full English breakfast. No, now, he who does not work, let him not eat. We must preach this. Let's have some conversations, serious conversations as a people. You know, how to build a new society. And APGA, as progressives, we must be at the forefront.